Villa is one of the most dependable home builders out there. We have built hundreds of homes and turned keys over to many happy families. Villa works exclusively with factory-built housing. All of the homes you see in this development were built in a factory and transported to this site. We have established a very strong network of factory partners, not just in California, where we're based, but all over the Western US. Most home builders are stick builders. That means that they build the home piece by piece on the property. Offsite is a smarter way to build because of predictability, efficiency, and cost control, as well as quality. We spend a lot of time on the architectural design, making sure that it matches the rest of the neighborhood. All of our homes are checked by our quality manager before they leave the factory floor. We then run through 3 distinct quality checks once the home is delivered to the site to make sure that it is ready to turn over to the home builder with minimal problems. Villa is very eager to partner with you to build more entry-level housing in your community. We have partnered with a number of different government agencies to bring housing into their town. We would love to have the opportunity to work with you as well.